Hello, everyone. Hope you're all enjoying this somewhat wet night. I mean, it's been rainy today, and yeah, I know. But anyways, I got something special to show you. Today, I'm gonna be showing you the Trains and Cranes Super Tower set, the latest toy from Fisher Price. As you can see here, it comes with a motorized Thomas, just a normal Thomas, nothing special. A push along Percy, a push along Harold, Cranky, Carly, and Cassia. Lift and load action and 25 feet of track, 762 centimeters. "34 inches tall, 86 centimeters. So let's get this. Well, before we open it, I'm going to be looking at the box. Fun with friends, full steam ahead. Got Thomas. Well, promo pictures of Thomas, James, Nia, and Percy. There's Thomas. Hold on. Got a Cranky. We got Cranky the Crane, Carly the Crane, and Cassia Crane. This is actually the first time I had Carly. But this is the second time I have Cassia, with the first being that set over there. The Cassia Crane and Cargo set. Originally released in the Trackmaster Revolution range, re-released into the motorized range. Basically, it's the same thing. Okay, so let's get this bad boy opened up. Get that one. Let's see if I can try again. Got that side. Now to do this side. Okay, got the top opened. Oh, look at that. You can see all the pieces in here. I'll just dump. I'll just get these out on my own. Ooh, never seen this type of truck before. Must be my first encounter. Look, we got Carly. We got a cargo car with 4 pieces of cargo. Cranky. And that's everything. So we got a normal Thomas. There's a Push Along Percy. And I think Harold's in another blessing. Yeah, this is Cassia. Yes, I already have a Cassia, which is this one from the set I said earlier. So we got a label sheet, or sticker sheet, or decal sheet, whatever you guys can call it. Now, this might take a while, so I'm gonna end this video here. And I'll show you what the set, I'll send you part 2 on when the set of after the set was built and touched up. Okay? So, thank you for watching. Be sure to stick around for part 2. And bye for now.